What's up? Back again, second half of the day. I had meetings, I also did my lunch, and I also did some work that I can't necessarily, well, I don't know. I just decided, sometimes I want to just do work. But I've decided that I will spend about another, I don't know, maybe another hour and a half, maybe two, working on whatever I was working on earlier. And we may transition to working on the Slack bot. Now that the GitHub integration is done, I can now return to thinking about how I'm going to handle transcription, as well as generating summaries, as well as generating my my content post. But that's, I don't know, we may get there, maybe not. We'll see how I feel. All right, let's go ahead and share my screen. I'm in a sauna at the moment. Oops, I forgot to turn off the TV. There are some things that came up in the SDK meeting that I need to add to my board and prioritize. Least of which is I'm no longer going to be doing this .NET. I learned that since this is out of date, they want me to just focus on the Node stuff for now, because that's the new API going forward. So let's go ahead and put that in there as well. So we'll say verify code snippets for, actually, this isn't verify, this is review Node SDK. And these are low, except for this one. This is probably a medium priority. We'll say medium because there's a lot to uncover, and this is definitely medium. Document identity verification. This is planned at some point. There's some exploration to figure out the best API. Okay, so this is low. I'm not going to plan this. I'm not going to put that on. So this is planned, we'll do that. And I'm guessing, I guess I'll lead this. Review node, server SDK. Okay, this is gonna be, I'm gonna work on this now. Oops. Where is my board? Okay, here we are. So this right here is being dropped. All right, so okay, so this is going to get dropped now, and we'll focus on this right here. So yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, what's up, Casual Comments? How you doing? Yeah, I don't know if I said I would be back or not, but I had intended to come back. It just had to wait until after, like after meetings, and then after I did some stuff. So my last meeting I think ended at like 3:30 or 3. I don't know. So I had a little bit of time to myself to get some other stuff done that's not this. Oh shit, I need to prepare for design crit. So I got invited to do to take part in the design teams, or the product design teams design crit. Is it here? Yeah. Okay. So we'll say prepare for design crit. For Devlog developer docs changes. This is fairly high priority for me, and we'll go ahead and plan that. Obviously, it's me doing it. This has a due date too. I need to be done by Thursday because it's on Thursday. Let me find that meeting right quick. Josh. Yeah, would you be interested? Yep. Wait, where is the... Wait, really? Oh gosh, which... All right, maybe it's this one. Yeah. Why does this refuse to open up in my, like I have Figma. I don't understand why this doesn't work. Let's see if I can open it with my this account. Do I need to switch accounts? Did they add it to my other one? Let's see. I remember that because I have my own Figma account, I think that they added, no, they didn't. Okay. So that was another team that added my other Figma account. Okay. Well, in any case, this is the link that I am going to need. So I'm going to drop this in Asana for my sake. Wait, what? What? Wait. I hate Google sometimes. Like, why are they changing my URLs? There's no need for them to be doing this so that they can know what the hell I'm looking at. Let's make sure that this actually goes where I think it goes. Yeah, it does. Perfect. Figma Jam. All right. This is the kind of stuff that normally I try to do not on stream. But I just realized that I should do that. Oh, should I have a live stream tomorrow? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, I saw notes. Maybe I need to review these notes. Okay. Document new identity verification functions for mobile SDK. That should be under mobile. Design crit. This is for all the docs. I'll just keep it at the top. Review no server SDK. Server SDK references. All right. What else do I need to put on here? Name should be string. Okay. All right, so I can close this now because again, like the .NET SDK is not really a thing yet. So we'll move on. I'm going to recover some resources here. Yeah, I just want to shut down. I don't need to do any of that other shit. All right. All right, so we're going to create or open, we're going to open up a node. Or we're going to create a node project. Or maybe I already have a node project. I think I already have a node project. Let's see. That would be in One Signal developers, I think. Node sample, yep. What have I done? Yeah, I think we could use this. Could use it. I don't actually need it to run. Let's go get the latest package. Oh, what did I do? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. Shit, what am I looking for? I've already forgotten. Oh, the latest version of our SDK. Let's see if we have it. That would be up here. One Signal node, whatever, something beta. I don't think that's the latest. That's not what I meant to do. So we're gonna go to GitHub. Actually, I think I already have a browser up. Node API. Oh gosh, it does. Oh man, we need to have our release. Okay, all right, yeah. I'm gonna note that down. We need to have our release info in the repo on the releases. Like it should say right here, this is the latest release, but it doesn't say that. So we need the version specifically. Should be on repo homepage. Okay, so we are on 5, whatever this is, alpha. So we'll just take this tag here and we'll plop it over somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna plop it over here. A yarn, okay. So yarn. All right, so we're gonna do everything in here because remember, this doesn't actually need to work. I just need to play with this client. So for now, I'm gonna rename this client. Shit, I forgot how to rename. I was using Visual Studio and like, I remembered some of the stuff and now I forgot everything that's not Visual Studio. How do you rename? Oh, it's the same. It's the same. Okay, all right, never mind. So it's gonna be One Signal client, just so we can have that same name. And we're gonna try create app. I don't see One Signal create. Oh, One Signal client create app. Okay, and how is this done? We give it an app, which interesting. I think an app is an interface, so I should be able to just do this. Yeah. So we'll do. I forgot the title that I gave this last time, so I'll just put app name for now. And let's first get some organization happening. Come up to here and let's go. So Node.js is, yep, that was wrong. So this is how you create an app in Node.js land. And is this returning the promise? Yes, it is. So then what we want to do is do this. We will say const result is equal to, we'll await that. Just ignore this. It's technically this works, but it won't work if I were to run it. That makes sense. Probably doesn't. And I used my app. Okay. We'll save that off. Here's what I mean. So for whatever reason in JavaScript land or in Node land, at least in the past, you couldn't do top level async await, or you couldn't do top level await. You can only do await in an async context. And the way that we create context or scopes in JavaScript is via functions. That's actually the only way, actually. That's how scope is created in JavaScript. So as a result, if you wanted to do something like this, you'd have to wrap this in an async function, right? But you can anonymously define it too. So you could do something like this, and then you can say async, something like that, and then you could do that, and then just immediately call it. You could do that, but we don't really care about that right now. Let's go to the next function. We got get app. Okay. So we'll say get app. Actually, yeah, I'll just create a new thing. I'll make a function. No, I'm not. I don't want to. That's too much effort. I don't want to do that. So what we'll do is we'll call this a create app result. The reason why I have to do this is because I can't reuse the same name. So we'll say const get app result, and we'll await this as well. Get app, and it's just a string. So we'll say app ID. All right. The hell was that noise? Weird. Guess I should delete the, I kind of don't want to delete this, but maybe I should. Do I have it ever? No, I don't. Okay, so fortunately I did save this work, so I'm going to delete this because he said to, the only one to focus on this node for now. Oh, actually, that reminds me, there was another thing he wanted me to do. Improve docs around so we're going to improve docs for getting started with outcomes. Actually, it's more about attribution. What's the for? Live activity for wrapper, yeah, wrapper SDKs. Ellie, and I'll collab with Brian as well. So I had to do that because I forgot. All right, so we've gotten the app. I think Get Apps is broken. That doesn't work. But I still will check just to make sure, because I was told that this is much further up to date, and I know it is because I just saw it. So we'll call this Get Apps result. We'll put apps, and this should take an array as expected. But it doesn't seem to. That's not good. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Okay. Why is this open? It's taking up all this space. We'll do this. Wait, what the hell? Oh, okay. Where did that completion come from? I thought I turned off all that stuff. That's annoying. So in this case, if the intent is to implicitly get all apps, this makes sense. But that strategy doesn't make sense in general. I'm adding notes here because I don't want to have to think about it when I inevitably come back to this, to actually putting in feedback and doing the stuff like the formal crap that I have to do. So we got Get Apps. We're done. We can't do that. We'll do Update App. So let's try that. Get, actually, we won't even do the result. We don't care. So we'll say await, or we won't even await. We'll just do this. Client update app. And we got to give it an app ID. And then a new app. Now here's the cool thing. So like, assuming that we had an app, this is just a snippet. I'm not going to put this as a snippet, but let's say that we already have our app, which is an application. So we'll call this a one signal application. Wait, maybe API. Default API. Oh gosh, where are the types? App. Okay, never mind. Yeah. So let's say this is an app, right? Well, what I could do here is, let's say that I had things that I wanted to change. So I can say, all right, well, here's my object. Let's spread out the original app like that. And what the fuck? And then, and then the things that I actually want to change, I can do this. I can say, all right, well, let's change this to be that. All right, this is how I would do it. But yeah, yeah. So what I'm going to do is we'll just say the app right here. We'll just say name, right? So we'll just give a new app object. I'm going to assume that whoever's looking at this in Nodeland, they know that they can use spread and override objects if they wanted to. So we'll call this updated app. And you know what? I can just do this. We'll say original app. We'll just say spread like that. Even though it doesn't exist, it doesn't matter because this is just a snippet. I'm gonna mark this as to do for now, since it doesn't technically work this way. It's just, you just say get apps. View the details of all your current apps. Oh, never mind. Maybe that is the intent. Yeah, maybe that is the intent. Fine. I still don't agree with it. I'm still going to put in my feedback because I think that I should be able to say this. I want to explicitly state which apps to return. I never want to just have a bunch of things returned to me. So we should do better here. In fact, this would only help us too, because if people are actually calling it this way, that means that we're wasting a bunch of bandwidth. No, it's less bandwidth if they choose the things that they want, because then we don't have to, send back potentially hundreds or thousands of apps. Obviously, it wouldn't be in one request or one response. You page it, but still, it's still, I think we send like 50, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so we have our original app, and then we'll just say updated name, like that, just to drive home the point that that's what's happening. And let's go ahead and save. Now we can move on to segments. Excuse me. Delete that. Get segment. It's just going to return a promise of a get segment response, which is singular. This isn't plural. Oh wait, never mind. It will return an array of segments. All right, then, yeah, fine. I concede that. So we're gonna do whatever this is. Is there anything else I need to pass? Nope. So this right here is gonna be segments. Yeah, we can grab that just like so. Oh shit, we were missing oh wow. We were missing a doc. That's interesting. Okay. Get segments. Oh, I forgot to add the new line right there and here. Yeah, this still doesn't make sense. Let me look at our API. Maybe we do have two different. Oh fuck! What did I just do? Fuck. Documentation. Is it under analytics? Yes, here we are. Yeah, see, that's weird. There's only one name here. If outcome names have commas in them. What? If outcome names contain any commas, then please specify only one value at a time. Oh, okay. So, oh, wait, why do we allow people to name an outcome with a comma? We should check that. Yeah. Why do we allow outcome names to include commas? Or why don't we handle this better? So this is just a string. I think that this would be much better to be a string array in the SDK. Okay, so we'll say outcome 1. I guess no space. I don't know. Outcome 2. Outcome 3. So I hate this. I'm not gonna do this. There's no way. Just absolutely, this is dumb. What I'm instead gonna do is do this and put it in an array like I would expect it to be. And then I'll just turn it into a string willy-nilly using magic. Cool, now we get a string. Wait, there's only get outcomes? There should, oh, wait, yeah. The create outcome is on the mobile and the web clients. Oops. Wait, what character? Oh, is this thinking that it's a Chinese character? Oh yeah, I'm still in Chinese. Okay, that explains it. Okay, we'll do event updates. And this could be, I think, whatever I want it to be. So we'll say home team, away team, home team name. Score. We'll say 30. 9. Then we gonna make sure that the Mavericks put that ass whooping on the Rockets. Nah, we only doing blowouts today. These days, we're going 63. Only blowouts. This does return promise. Yeah, it does. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe content is. Oh, gosh. Kyrie just scored a triple double. I don't know. Something like that. Okay, now we're into user model stuff. So let's go into create user. Excuse me. Identity should have. Yeah, the type is wrong. Dang it. It's too generic. All right. Let's do external ID, external user ID. Yeah, see, the thing is, there should be a one signal ID here, and it's not. Oh, man. We'll just call this our user result, create user result. All right, let's this. Oh, this is a lot. We don't need to do all of it though, just the gist. And let's throw in a subscription too. Is this an array or an object? Okay, it's an array of what? Subscriptions? What subscription did they add here, or did they do any? Properties, none. No subscription added. Yeah, it's good enough. Update user is pretty similar, most likely. Alias label, alias ID. User update user requests. I don't know if I like this. All right, and now we got delete user. This one should be easy. Oh yeah, it's easy. It's what I basically have already. So let's just take all of this and dump it here. Wait, why did I do it that way? All right, I actually gotta go. I may be back later today. If I am back later today, it'll be working on other stuff. Maybe I don't know, maybe I'll even edit the video, but I gotta go right quick. So if y'all enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, a like, you follow for more. I will see y'all potentially in the next hour or two, or just tomorrow. I'm streaming for real tomorrow, so if you don't see me later today, I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah. See you later, Casual Comments. Thank you for joining in, and I'll see you later. Peace.